Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable autoplay for videos in the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. So let's start. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device and tap on the menu button located in the bottom right corner. Then select the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to find Media under Preferences and tap on it. Here, you will see the autoplay option. Tap on autoplay to choose your desired autoplay settings. You can select Never Autoplay Videos to disable autoplay completely. Or you can also choose autoplay on Wi-Fi only if you only want videos to autoplay when you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Additionally, you can enable Video Start with Sound if you want videos to autoplay but start muted. Once you've selected your preferred autoplay settings, go back to the home screen, and autoplay for Facebook videos will be disabled according to your chosen preferences. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.